What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have my most expensive unboxing I've ever done on this channel. So let's get straight into it. This is a unboxing of a terminal that I purchased. It is 1:1 accurate, 1/400 scale Gemini Jets Concourse A. Or not Gemini Jets, but it's compatible with Gemini Jets. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting so much for this, so let's get straight into the unboxing. Okay, let's see what we have in here. So starting off, we have some of the middle pieces for the concourse, very detailed. I think we have about 3 of them. Here's the second one. You can see it's just a hollow interior, but it does have a very nice outside detailed. This goes on part of Concourse A. Then we have another centerpiece right here. And we have a bunch of paper. Then we have a piece right here, which will go in between. It'll go like right here, or right there. So yeah, we have this piece. Bear with me, we are almost done with this amazing unboxing. I'll show you guys all the pieces in depth. And then we have another middle piece. I do highly recommend this guy. His name is Custom Model Airports, or Custom Model Network or something on Instagram. So be sure to go check him out. Then we have another middle piece. Very detailed. And then we have a few more pieces right here. So on Concourse A's new expansion, they did add a patio. Pretty detailed, as you can see. And then we have the part of the regional gates. This will just go on the end of the concourse. Very gorgeous. And then we have the jetway connectors. We have about 50 of them. And then we have one of the most important parts, which is these international pieces. So they're like little blocks that the international gates connect to. And then we have the end of the regional concourse at the end of the terminal. And then for the most expensive or biggest part, we have the middle part of the concourse. This is huge. This must be about a foot, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, let's get in depth of these gorgeous, this gorgeous terminal. Here is all of the equipment that we have received for the terminal. So let's get straight into the in-depth review of each piece. And then I'll try to put it together if I can, but anyway, here is the patio piece. This will go at the end of the terminal, very detailed, as you can see. Then I kind of already put this together here. Hold on, let me adjust the camera just a little bit. There we go. So you have your basic piece right here, and this would be where Frontier, Allegiant, and a few other airlines park. Then down here you just kind of have your end piece, and it just kind of connects like that. So yeah, that is the end piece. Put that aside. Then right here we have the terminal connectors, or the gate connectors. So basically you'd put the Gemini Jets gate inside of this piece. You can see there's a little hole right there. So there's about 50 of these for the airport. Then you have your international pieces. Are pretty generic, but they would just go on like this. And then the jetways would come out of it. So you have 4 of those for the terminal. Then you have 3 of your main pieces. This would just be the length of the terminal, nothing too special. As I mentioned, you do have 3 of them. They do have a little bit of detail. You can see pretty accurate. So let me take these aside. Then we have a few more connector pieces for the middle right here. They do have some detail on the roof, not a lot really, but it is pretty detailed on the sides as you can see. So we'll put that aside. Then these basically go in the middle between the concourses, or between the terminals, so it looks something like that, you know. So you have 3 of these pieces, 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, that's also fairly good detail right there. Put that aside for now. And then we have the absolutely huge piece, which is the middle piece. This would go in between, or this would be in the exact middle of the concourse, so you'd have your 2 sides going off that way. I was able to put together a small piece of the terminal. As you can see here, it is very, very good and very detailed. It has 2 layers, or 3 at some points. And then you have your patio at the very end. Let me zoom in there a little. So yeah, very good quality. I would like to thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. I hope you guys did enjoy all the content, and that you are excited for the new terminal to be put into Denver. I have gotten a few DMs or messages asking if I'm going to buy Concourse B and C as well, because this is just Concourse A of Denver. And the answer to that is yes. I'm just going to wait a few months between each terminal since it's really, really expensive. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please drop a like and subscribe if you like this terminal and you love aviation content. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.